I am doing the shadowing technique. There is a class going on and I am copying the teacher. It's a Hindi English version. One portion I have already done, 4 minutes. Now I am doing the remaining part because this phone is troubling, the internet connection is troubling, and I am not very expert in handling these things. So wherever from whichever place it started, I will start copying it. आपके पास 4 ऑप्शन अवेलेबल है, 10 साल, 5 साल, 10 साल, 15 साल और 20 साल। 20 साल आप जो भी ऑप्शन सेलेक्ट करेंगे उसके हिसाब से आपको पेंशन मिल जाएगी। सो 5, 10, 15, 20 4 ऑप्शंस आर देयर। यू हैव टू सेलेक्ट वन ऑप्शन एंड स्टार्ट गेटिंग द पेंशन। This is a pension class which is going on, and I am trying to copy, I am trying to do the shadowing technique as per my knowledge and skill. I am not very this thing. This is maybe first or second shadowing technique which I am doing. पेंशन जो बन रही है वो बन रही है 76,200, 76,900 per annum. This is the pension amount, 7.69. 7.69 is the rate of interest at which the pension is being given. So this is more of a conversation starter, come shadowing, come journaling. So you have to bear with me because these are my first few videos where I am talking to you guys, but I am regular in making these videos. 10 lakh example is being given. Once you deposit or start with 10 lakh, and what will be the pension you will be getting. This is the class which is going on, and you can convert this into monthly, quarterly, half yearly or yearly. Normally this pension is given on yearly basis. You can divide it into any form you convenient to you. तो मैंने मान लीजिए मैंने 10 साल वाला ऑप्शन चूज़ किया एज ए कस्टमर। 10 साल से पहले उसकी डेथ हो गई, तो अगले 10 साल जो बचे हुए टाइम है उसमें उसको पेंशन उसके नॉमिनी को मिलती रहेगी। और अगर 10 साल निकल गए, जो बचा हुआ पेंशन था वो मेरे नॉमिनी को मिल जाएगा। और अगर 10 साल निकल गए तो जब तक वो ज़िंदा रहेगा तब तक वो पेंशन मिलती रहेगी। अगर मैं ही सर्वाइव कर गया, चूज़ 10 साल का ऑप्शन किया है, लेकिन अगर सर्वाइव कर गया तो लाइफ टाइम जब तक मैं ज़िंदा रहूँगा तब तक वो पेंशन आपको मिलती रहेगी। नो अगेन द थ्रोट इज ट्रबलिंग, दिस कोल्ड वाटर and now there are some question answers coming up in between. This is a class where I am copying the teacher, and lot of disturbance, lot of questions coming up in between, and she has to answer those questions. At the same time she has to put forth her point of view of the plan which is being discussed. So this is shadowing technique I am trying to do. 3 minutes already done. अगर नाउ देयर इज अ डिबेट गोइंग ऑन, पेंशन अगर आपको लेनी है तो कब लेनी चाहिए, कब आपको सेविंग करनी चाहिए, कितनी सेविंग करनी चाहिए, और जब आप रिटायर हों तो आपको कितनी पेंशन मिलेगी, और क्या क्या ऑप्शंस हैं पेंशन मिलने के। उस पर ये बातचीत का जो सिलसिला है वो जारी है। नॉमिनी कैन बी चेंज्ड एट एनी टाइम. Options are to be chosen at the time of applying for it, and then some of the things can be changed, some of the things are fixed because they cannot be changed due to it will affect the plan itself. So if it is not affecting the plan, so simple thing like change of address, change of phone number, change of nominee, these are the things which are permissible anytime, any number of times you can opt for them, change for them. But the basic plan where the percentage and the rate and the initial premiums are discussed, they have been fixed, they are not changed. For that you have to close that plan, go for the new plan if you are eligible, and then as per the new terms and conditions you will be getting those benefits. This is what is the answer coming up. It is rather I am answering the question rather than shadowing technique. So please bear with me. It's a mix of journaling, shadowing, and imitation also you can say, plus my own skill I am putting in. जो बैलेंस 5 साल हैं 10 साल के लिए ऑप्शन किया है, 10 साल के अंदर डेथ नहीं हुई, 5वें साल में डेथ हो गई, तो बचे हुए 5 साल हैं उसमें ये पेंशन आपके नॉमिनी को मिलती रहेगी। और अगर 10 साल आप जिंदा रह गए तो ये पेंशन आपको ही मिलती रहेगी जब तक आप जिंदा रहेंगे, थ्रू आउट द टर्म ऑफ योर लाइफ। जितना आप रहेंगे उतनी देर ये पेंशन आपको मिलती रहेगी। नाउ द वीडियो हैज स्टॉप्ड, so I'll have to stop here. This is already 6 minutes, one part is 4 minutes, so 10 minutes ka shadowing I have done. I am GS Anand. I am a mechanical engineer turned digital recruiterpreneur, signing off for now. Thank you, bye.